Hey everybody, it's Jimmy from the DIY and Digital, and I just want to say thank you so much to everybody who subscribed. I crossed 200 subscribers earlier this week. I've had so much fun interacting with you guys on the comments and in other YouTube Model Railroaders live streams. It really has been a whirlwind tour of a ride. On that note, I want to announce that I will be having a 500 subscriber contest. 500 subscribers. I'm not going to announce the full rules just yet, but you do have to be subscribed to be eligible. That's the first rule. So if you haven't already, if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, you need to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you're notified of every video and don't miss any updates where I give out the full rules of this. The last contest I did, I gave away a $25 gift certificate to modeltrainstuff.com. So I'm thinking something similar on the lines of that for the giveaway prize. So this coming Monday, I have the start of my Arduino series, and I will be doing an Arduino Block Signal. Because it does require quite a few parts, they're not expensive, I'm going to go ahead and put the list for the parts in the description below. Now, these are affiliated links, so if you click these links, I get a small commission from Amazon. Don't have to do it. Find something cheaper, I completely understand. This whole channel is about budget model railroading, but I'd really appreciate it. And just a warning, I actually just finished editing the video. It is the longest video I've done by a long shot. It's right around 40 minutes, but it is a complete walkthrough of building a prototype to make sure everything works of the block signal and writing the program. So it's very, very long, but it walks through the entire process of building the circuitry for the block signal. And then after that, I'm going to do a very similar project with an Arduino-based grade crossing. I'm in the middle of shooting that video actually right now, so be looking for that. And then finally, to wrap up this 3-episode series on Arduinos, I will be building a DCC base station. If you haven't heard of DCC++, it is an Arduino-based DCC base station like NCE or Digitrax, but you can build this one yourself for really cheap. You can get out, if you do it right, you can get out for under $50 for a DCC system. So that's all that's coming up. Thank you again, guys, for 200 subscribers. And like I said, if you haven't hit that bell icon and hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit it now. That way you don't miss the 500 subscriber contest that's coming. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Happy railroading.